Did you know the story of Juneteenth is a powerful masterclass in leadership? It's more than just a holiday. It's a crucial lesson in what it takes to make freedom and vision a reality for everyone. My friends, the fact that news of emancipation reached Galveston, Texas, a whole 2.5 years late, is a stark reminder that a leader's proclamation is meaningless without follow through. This Juneteenth, let's explore four powerful leadership lessons we can all learn and apply. See, a vision is just a dream until it reaches every single person in your organization. Leaders must close the gap between the message and the reality. My friend, you have to embody unbreakable resilience. The perseverance of those who waited for freedom, despite unimaginable hardship, is the ultimate story of resilience. How can we bring that strength into the challenges we face today? Today, we face with digital transformation. Today, we face with AI taking over the processes, taking over the actions, the tasks that we do. Today, we face the AI embedded in every single tool that we use to make tasks easier. It is an opportunity for us to connect with each other on a human level. We also have to be champion of equity. Juneteenth is a powerful call to action. Are we just talking about diversity, diversity of thoughts, diversity of history, diversity of culture, diversity of experience? Or are we building genuinely inclusive spaces where everyone has a voice and a real opportunity to succeed? My friends, as a leader, you must confront the hard truths. Real leadership requires the courage to look at the uncomfortable parts of our history and our own failures. That's how we truly learn. That's how we truly grow. This year, let's move beyond celebration to action. What's one way you will apply these four lessons that I've shared with you today? Drop a comment below. Let's have a discussion. And if you get value from this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more content on leadership, history, and culture. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, you manage tasks, but you lead people.